si Sir Bong eh.
Oo, natin. Sir Bong Santa Maria.
Kaya nga sabi niya, bro, huwag kayong mai-insecure sa akin.
Right. Hello and good evening everybody. Para sa lahat ng empleyado, beneficiary, at mga bumubuo ng mga kumpanya ng MVP Group, isa pong masayang pagbati ng maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat. Ninanais na gawing merry ng MVP Group ang Manny V. Pangilinan. Hello, sir. You're not supposed to do your speech yet.
Oh, I see. Sorry.
I'm supposed to third degree you.
Okay.
Handa na ba kayo? Sir, hanggang kailan kayo magpapanggap na mahirap?
So that when it's a blind trust, meaning when I can direct the trust, I don't have direct control of the trust. So I also have executed the letter wishes, which I just updated last night.
Ay, kasama ako doon. Sino kaya ang kasama sa updated?
My list.
Estate planning. And this is the deal breaker. This will make or break you, sir. Ano ba kayo? Hindi makaget over? Hindi makaget over? Sir, sino ang huling nag-away sa face-to-face? Sige nga.
Si Boy Martires at si Mama.
Okay, you are our next guest, boy. Boy, maganda yan. Sir, okay.
Wag mong patulan ng babae. Huwag talaga.
Boy, I think you would be the best guest in face-to-face. You just have to choose your opponent. Marami sila. Okay, so anyway, sir, companies. Yeah.
But if you look at it from conventional lenses, which is the traditional view of business, to deliver goods and services for a profit for the owners of your business, which are your shareholders, and to the main body of governance, which is your board. The group has performed very well this year. Right? If you sum up the core net income of the group, from Meralco PLDT down to the smallest companies of the group, we have produced 120 billion pesos of profits. And the cash flows we generated this year will top 208 billion pesos. No group in this company can top that kind of number. Right? So very happy, very fulfilled this year. But success always has a termination, which is December 31st. So next year, the expectation of our shareholders and the board is to be able to exceed those numbers. And that's our job. So that's the good news.
Mamaya na yung bad news, ayoko nang malaman, ha?
Yabang ba? Yabang.
Wala na muna yung bad news. Good news na lang tayo ngayon, sir. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our main man, Sir Manny V. Pangilinan.
Mahal na kapatid. Sabi ko nga sa inyo na I was trying to look for the one word advances. Quite apart from bonuses, it is being a kapatid. So how did we choose this word? Why does it relate so well with all of us? Bakit nga ba ang tawag natin sa isa't isa ay kapatid? Brother? May we never be too old or too young to search the skies for love, to cherish and goodwill, to cherish and give goodwill and peace and joy to others, beyond the glitter and glow of the season. May the love paalala rin ito sa magkakapatid tayo lahat. My hope is for events like this to bring us together, foster deeper connections amongst us, but most of all, remind us that no matter the challenges we will face in the coming year or years, magtutulungan tayo at walang iwanan. Maraming salamat mga kapatid at merry ang vibes ng Pasko.
Ladies and gentlemen, our chairman. And new Cherry Tigo car.
Pero yun nga yung papamigyan natin. Pero bukod doon, meron tayong minor raffle prizes. But I think you have to be here or hawak ninyo yung inyong coupon to get your prizes. Pero MVP, tuwing Pasko, kayo po may hawak na schedule niya.
Nagtatrabaho. Wala nang iba. Nagtatrabaho para lahat tayo yumaman.
Nagtatrabaho pa rin kahit Pasko.
Always.
Oo.
25 years na ako sa kanya. Every year, nasa opisina siya.
Ano ba ang susi para makakuha ng aginaldo mula kay MVP?
Well, kung alam mo ang numero ng kahadiyero niya.
Ng ano? Ng ano?
Numero ng kahadiyero niya. Alam ko yun.
Kahadeyero. Yung
Vault.
kanyang vault. Oo. Pero bakit nga ba merry ang vibes dito sa MVP group, Sir Abet?
Madali lang naman, right? Well, it's very obvious na tayo lahat, mga empleyado dito, lahat masaya.
Ayun.
Dahil sa Pasko, 365 days a year, masaya lahat.
Ayun, masaya ang lahat, hindi lang sa Pasko. Oo.
Isa kang alamat.
May pwedeng kandidato para sa aginaldo. In the meantime, tuloy-tuloy po ang ating selebrasyon. Let's go!
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Shadow frost sleeping, and you know.
Are you listening? Rainbow lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight. Walking in a winter wonderland. Over snowman, and remember it is Parson Brown. Say, are you ready? We'll say no, man. If you can do the job of working down.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jason D.
When you believe, somehow you will. Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells sing and jingle bell ring. Snowing and dancing, talking of fun. Like the jingle up has begun. Jingle bell rock. Jingle bell dancing, jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing and jingle bells swing in the frosty air. What a
Magandang gabi, MVP Group. Kaisa niyo po ako. Kaisa niyo kami. Kaisa niyo kaming lahat sa pagbibigay ng mas maginhawang buhay sa bawat Pilipino. The merry vibes of music unites and
Cause you light up my life. Must have been pulled there in my shadow to never have sunlight on your face. You were content to let me shine. That's your way. For you are the wind beneath. You let me fly so high.
Our hometown hero, gracing the MVP Christmas party. Kaloy, hindi kami magsasawang i-congratulate ka para sa iyong double gold historic win. Palampakan natin muli ang ating Olympic champion. Sa lahat ng mga batang nanonood dito at sa telebisyon, lahat kami ay tumitingala sa iyo para sa inspirasyon. What would you say is your secret to success?
Parang pang beauty contest yung tanong mo, pinipressure mo si Carlos. Di, ano ba sikreto, pare?
Hard work talaga po. Yung dedication po. Pagmamahal po talaga sa ginagawa natin. Kahit na...
Sample daw! Sample ba? Sample?
Parang din po ako nakapunta sa Japan. Support ng fan ko ng training camps ko. Sponsor ko. Sobrang thankful po ako. Thank you so much for inviting me po dito. My experience with napakasayang Christmas party. Maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal at support na binibigyan niyo po. Thank you so much po.
Siyempre, ito ang ating MVP Sports Foundation athlete. At tama ka, merong MVP SF Gym sa Manila. Pwede ba natin patayuin ang iyong support team doon sa Kyra Villegas? Maraming salamat for making our country proud. At dahil dyan, meron pang isang sorpresa ang ating chairman na si Manny V. Pangilinan at si Mr. Ricky Vargas.
On behalf of our athletes and every Filipino, thank you, Chairman MVP, for helping and championing the greatness of our athletes and the future of Philippine sports.
Sa amin ni MVP at yung MVPSF, hindi lang dapat sila atleta, dapat sila nag-aaral. So, sila ay nasa Baguio, nagka-training, at kinausap namin yung University of Baguio at sinabi namin baka pwede silang mag-scholar. Ito, puro absent. Yun din, puro absent.
Idol kita, boss.
Puro absent. Pero bago pumunta sa Olympics in Paris, tinapos niya muna ang pag-aaral niya. So, actually, kinukuha niya si MVP bilang ninong sa kasal niya. Okay, anyway. Mali. Ang unang love nito at ang unang nagmahal dito si Cynthia. Cynthia, there, that's Cynthia. Hindi pinabayaan ni Cynthia. Si Cynthia is one of those na kung saan pumupunta, naglilimos para kay Mr. Yulo. Mr. na to, Mr. Of course, yung inspiration niya sa Paris, na tumakas ito sa athlete center para mabisita niya yung inspiration niya. Ha? At saka hindi lang niya binisita, nag-uwi pa ng 2 gold sa kanya. Carlos, on behalf of MVP and the Sports Foundation, I am privileged to hand you over this check na pinangako ni MVP. I just want to tell you that this prize was not only given, the support was not only given to him after he won, but MVPSF was there in his journey. So yun ang importante. Hindi lang itong check na to ang mahigit pa dito in his journey. So ang halaga nito ay